Alright. Yay! Alright, for today's video, for this video in particular, I want to check if gagana talaga tong nabili nating hinihingal ako, sorry, mini USB attachment sa ating Osmo Pocket. So unfortunately, I still have a cell phone that has a mini USB connectivity. So medyo discriminatory tong Osmo Pocket dahil meron lang siyang for Type-C and iOS. This is a Nova 3i. So tataka ako bakit yun pa rin ang ginamit nilang interface nitong cellphone na to. And medyo bago-bago naman siya. So I got here the Osmo Pocket. Fresh. So kita nyo naman. Meron pa siyang mga protective covers. I just did the unboxing a while ago. So, ayan, tanggalin na natin. Parang sofa lang to eh. Mga sofa sa mga nanay natin ay tanggalin yung plastic agad. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makuha. So, there you go. Oh, bibili ba ako ng screen protector na or hindi na, bala na. So, there you go. This is the, you know, aftermarket, I'm not sure. I got this from Shopee, by the way, 200 pesos. 20 pesos ang shipping fee. So, why not? Instead of having yung connection or yung adapter dun sa C to my mini USB. So, mas ideal to kasi rekta na siya. So, let's attach it. Okay, there you go. Snug naman siya. So, okay. Let's turn it on. English. Let's do the attachment. Connect na natin siya. Alright. Na-detect. Wow. What should we do? Charge only, transfer photos, transfer files. But anyway, it got detected. So, wait. Cancel that. Allow. Okay. I agree. Get a device info. Let's do that. Let's put next. Please activate after logging. Cameras in front. Log in. I'm not sure if I can do this now. If we do the register. This says. But then anyway, the point is, na-detect siya whether this device that we have right here. I would probably do the registration of the device a little later, so I would have all the details with me. Ayokong gawin siya dito. So my point is, yeah, it's working for 200 pesos. Hindi ko na kailangan yung mahabang cable and attachment for this USB-C. Oh yeah, so gumagana siya guys. So yeah. Yeah, ako nang yeah. I'll put the link where I got it. Definitely from Shopee. I'll just put the link kasi maraming seller din doon. You might want to have the cheapest. Pare-pares lang naman sila. But yeah, to my point is it's working. No problem. If you still have the old phones that has the my mini USB connectivity. Yes, I'm so happy. Magagamit ko na siya ngayon. Okay, that's it for now. Please subscribe if you find it very useful, and if you like the video, ano ba naman yung click mo lang yun yung subscribe. Everyday adobo. See you. Thank you for watching.